Aloha guys! It's Travelers Taiwan!
旅游在台湾!
Please subscribe to our channel if you want to watch more videos about amazing Taiwan, about traveling here. And where are we today, Patrick?
We are back to Alishan again!
Yay, why?
Do you guys remember last time we came to Alishan? We went to the national park, right? It was raining and we were wearing a rain jacket.
No, it wasn't just raining, it was snowing.
And we didn't even see the sunrise at all, which we were supposed to see, right?
So where are we going?
I'm gonna show you a different side of Alishan. We will go to tea farm, coffee farm, and also where we are right now is Taiping雲梯.
Oh, that looks super beautiful because literally we are standing in the clouds, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, what about you check out the view, huh? Welcome to the clouds, guys. Oh my god. There's supposed to be a gorgeous view of the mountains, but even though we can't see anything, it still looks so beautiful. So we arrived to Taiping Laoji. And we were just walking here and we found something really cool. This is tomato.
The DJ says a tree tomato. 是树番茄，对不对？
Oh, that's so awesome. Only 50块一袋. Okay, so that's how it looks like. It's like番茄with paishango. I don't know what it is. That's what Jason told us.
Just eat it.
What?
What? It really looks like paishango in there.
It tastes like black currant. Once you bite it, and the aftertaste is tomato. That is super amazing. I've never seen it before. I never tried it before. Wow. So it's been only 2 minutes on the street. We already got a lot of stuff.
What do you have there? What's this one?
This is doupi, and it's only 100块for the whole pack.
What?
Isn't it amazing? Woo!
And you know what the guys say? It's not deep fried.
Oh, yeah, so it's more natural. Okay, I'm afraid what else we're gonna buy.
Oh,
what did you get?
I got 鲜奶粉圆. You don't want to buy it because the 老板 he's been singing the whole time while he's making the 粉圆, and he creates such a happy atmosphere, you know?
用爱做人，对不对？
对. Oh, it's so nice. Literally just only milk, brown sugar, and then the 粉圆. And then the 粉圆 is not as like QQ as the one you buy from the drink shop. 这个比较自然的.
So we came here to see famous Alishan train, which will probably arrive soon. We're not so sure about the schedule. Let's just wait and see. And for now, it's a really nice place to enjoy the nature and see all this fog. Unfortunately, we did not see the train because it was too long to wait.
Yeah, we waited for like half an hour, but it still didn't come.
But we saw something even more special. I thought it was a train! Guys, you know the Alishan is very famous for tea, right?
Yeah, we just visited like the tea farms and we see a beautiful tea plantation. But you think that's it?
No way, you know, here you can also DIY coffee. Nice. I'm so looking forward to drink it because I've been so sleepy these days.
Yeah,
so.
and then actually it's my first time to try a high mountain coffee. It's just right in front of us, by the way.
Oh yeah, okay, let us show you. Coffee, 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 coffee. Let's go. Alright, so we've arrived to our DIY place. It's called Huposa. And guys, seriously, if you don't want to drink coffee or you don't want to DIY your own coffee, please come here for the view. Look at this. Oh my god. How unbelievable is that? Seriously, I've been here for half an hour taking pictures non-stop because look, 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 it's so gorgeous. Okay, let's go get some coffee. Alright, so now we're gonna make our own coffee with this beautiful couple. Hi! Look, they look so different. Gray and green a little bit. They smell like grass. So those are the fresh coffee beans which we're gonna make later. It smells like sunflower seeds. If you bake sunflower seeds, they smell the same. Come on, DJ. Drop the beat, drop the beat.
Maybe the beats are already too dry because they've been dancing for the 3 rounds. Teamwork.
That's what we got after frying it, and now we're gonna dry it, right?
Yeah, we're gonna dry it and then grind it to make our own coffee bag.
Nice.
So now we're gonna put all the coffee powder that we make inside this bag, which you can take it back home. Whoa.
Next, we have a small coffee factory.
这就是我们琥珀社的老板。
大家好，
老板，那个阿里山这边的咖啡啊，跟其他平地的咖啡到底有什么样最大的差别？
高山因为气候会比较凉一点，所以它生长的比较缓慢，累积的东西会比较多。那因为日夜温差大，所以叶片肥厚，它里面充实的营养物质也会比较多，所以我们这一杯咖啡喝起来，它的层次感是会比较浓郁。我们家跟别家的话，我们的茶感啊，那像我们的日晒的话，还有微酒香。那再来就是说，我们全部都是靠人力下去做的，每一颗都是这样子辛苦采下，红了才采，红了才采。所以一棵树我们可能会分6、7次去采。那烘好的豆子，我们又会再人工再筛选一次。我们是走精品咖啡的路线，
所以如果想要喝到更好的咖啡，记得要来琥珀社。
Hey, morning guys, Alishan trip day 2. Today we have a truly tea experience because the whole day we're gonna spend around tea plantations. We're gonna try tea. I'm super excited about it. It's gonna be so amazing. And look, now we are at the tea farm starting our day in this beautiful scenery. Okay, let's stroll around, digest our breakfast and get ready for the day.
You know what's the forest next to you?
这个吗？
对呀。
What is that?
野姜花.
Oh.
It actually comes with different forms. One is white, which is the one we're looking at. The other one's yellow.
Oh, cool. But I'm more attracted to the tea. Look at that. Oh my god, I want to have a tea plantation because I love drinking tea so much. Like seriously, every day I drink maybe like 5 cups of green tea. Look at those perfect leaves. Oh wow! Look, we're really in the middle of the tea plantation. You know, in other places, if you see fog, it makes you feel kind of sad, you know, because the weather is not good. But here, it just creates a perfect atmosphere of, you know, this kind of Chinese painting, right? 水墨画，你知道吗？
So we are here at the tea farm. It's called 龙眼林制茶厂。然后在这边呢，其实非常特别。你们仔细看啊，这些茶叶全部都是属于无毒的。然后我们刚刚已经逛了一圈，这边真的超漂亮，有竹林啊，还有一大片云雾缭绕的茶园。所以我们等一下就要回到制茶厂，然后我们要学啊如何用我们的嘴巴去品茶，可以知道这是红茶、绿茶还是乌龙茶。Super excited for that!
Yay! Okay, we are ready to try the tea. And look, the tea museum is located in a really old-fashioned house. Looks so beautiful. Now you can't see much because it's foggy. We can't see much too. But I mean, it looks very mysterious. Cheers! Oh, it's not bitter at all. Very refreshing. Wan Mei, could you please introduce us? What are you drinking?
我刚刚就觉得这个很特别，我以为是红茶，对不对？看起来很像，你看这颜色，是不是红红的，很像红茶？
Try.
It looks like black tea, but then once you try it, it feels like it's still green tea. So it's really interesting. And this tea is not oxidized, so super nice.
Oh.
你轻轻的吸，再用力一点吸，然后最后是用力的吸。
It's gonna be the most special way I've ever tried the tea. Oh, does actually taste differently than if you just drink it. The tea has much stronger flavor. Like I could feel it all around my mouth and even in my nose. I think I was trying too hard. It looks like I'm doing a spell, right? I think it's super creepy to go for the tea competition because, you know, can you imagine like 10 people doing it?
Alright, guys. Guess what tea I'm trying right now? 这叫做嘉叶龙茶。哦。 It's called GABA tea. 这个是用无氧发酵方式发酵出来的茶。The same way how you drink the tea. Okay?
Chin down.
Oh, I know why you had to do that. Because 每一次你吸一口气的时候，你会把一些空气带到嘴巴里面，对不对？所以你用这些空气啊，让这些茶在你嘴巴里面旋转。这个超甜的。It's like I don't know. I feel like they add some sugar or something.
So we just finished our day 2 in amazing Chiayi. Wow, I was actually so surprised to see so many coffee plantations here because I always imagined Alishan with, you know, tea plantations. So it was kind of like a new opening for me.
Yeah, whenever we think about coffee in Taiwan, we think about Yunlin, Gukeng Cafe, right? But I actually like here, this year and the previous year in Chiayi, they win more award of like coffee competition. 有14家的咖啡厅都得奖。
And I think Alishan is also amazing, not just for seeing the sunrise here, but also for visiting all those tea farms, coffee farms, and those beautiful scenic spots with hikes.
And plus, if you want to do a detour, all these places that we've been to this couple of days, they are really amazing because you can actually understand like how tea grows, how to try tea, how coffee was made, and even to make your own back home. So it's just like really amazing experience.
For now, thank you so much guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel, Travel North Taiwan,
Taiwan,
and like the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you somewhere in Taiwan. Bye bye.